to implement is dot, and with this case statement we will have the same thing. If case key of dot, then begin and end, and we will implement dot here. But let us first understand what is going on with dot without implementing it. Receive 78 dot dot dot. So we are able to enter as many dot as we want, but for a calculation purpose there should be only a one dot. So we have to check if a dot already exists in this text, then do not discard other dot, and if dot does not exist, then add this. So it's a simple logic here. When adding dot, first we will check if pause of dot edt text is equal to 0. That means dot does not already exist. Then let us add this dot. At the end of this, key. But if it exists, then when pause will not be 0, then what it should do? It should discard it. You see 8, 8, it's not working fine. Let us see what is happening here. Pause of dot edt supreme dot text is equal to 0. Well, the thing is, this code is working fine, but we are not discarding this key, and this key, after this key press, this key is entering again, and that is causing double entry. So we have to discard this key always. Not else, because we are manually adding it, so otherwise it will be discarded. Let us see. Well, the thing is, our dot processing is okay for now, because we have not implemented digits and math operations. When those keystroke arrive here, those are added on other side of the string, other side of the text, which is causing problem. So when we will implement those, this problem will remove. You see 5 6 dot, and now if we enter another digit, that should be added here, but because we have not implemented that logic, digit will be added here, and that's causing all the problem. So let us move on and add digits.